In this video, I'm going to unbox and review the USB LED lights. So these are the lights which I bought from Amazon. It costs ₹99. So let's take it out from this packaging. So you can see there are 4 USB lights. So this looks like a normal bulb, but these are very small USB lights which you can plug into the USB type A slot and turn it on. So this is very handy and you can use these bulbs anywhere as an emergency light. So let's plug it into the computer USB slot and see how it looks. So here you can see this is how it looks. Brightness of this bulb are very good enough, you can see. Now I will plug it into the charger and also make the room dark and show you the brightness of this bulb. So here you can see I have connected the USB bulb to the charger and here you can see how it distributes the brightness. You can use these bulbs for any of your purpose, like while reading, as a reading lamp, or as an emergency light by plugging into a power bank, or you can even use it in your car. So if you're interested in buying these USB lights, then I have put a link in the description of this video. You can buy it from there.